First, being disabled should not prevent anyone from getting outside to enjoy fresh air and activity.
Ano, 30? Ilang tao din ito nagamit? 4?
Ask any adult, whether disabled or not, what their fondest memory of school is, and most will come back with an exciting story about an outdoor trip. How they explored, played, took risks, tried new things, and made new friends. At the time, you don't realize how these experiences shape who you become later in life.
Ready na ready, Angel? Super ready?
Super ready na po.
Your hardest climb.
Okay lang po yan.
Ready na ready? Hardest climb?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Sup boys?
Hi boss.
Ready? Ready to climb?
Magandang umaga. Ay, magandang tanghali.
Magandang climb.
Dito yung manok. Naka-safety. Gusto kong ituloy yung advocacy ako na pag-akit ng bundok dahil para ma-inspire yung ibang tao, tapos ma-inspire ko rin yung ibang amputee or PWD sa Philippines or around the world. Marami na ako naakyat ko na yung highest peak sa Philippines. Bakit ko ba, ano pa bang gusto kong patunayan? Gusto kong pakita na kaya kong akyatin lahat ng bundok or sa lahat ng bundok sa mundo.
Ang masasabi ko lang po sa mga nagsasabi na hindi kaya makapag-hike na mga visually impaired, kayang-kaya naman pong makapag-hike. Tignan nyo din po muna at subukan. Hindi din po hadlang ang pagiging isang visually impaired para hindi makapag-hike. Kasi kung yung mga kulang po ng paa, kulang ng kamay, nakakapag-hike po sila. So, kayong visually impaired po, kayang-kaya din po namin.
Sa visually impaired po, since marami na din po akong na-hike, I think yung advantage ko po sa mga able is blind nga po ako pero nagagawa ko pong umakyat at tapos po nagiging mas matapang pa po ako. At ang pinaka-importante po sa lahat ay mas makaka-encourage pa po ako ng ibang tao na gawin lahat ng kinatatakutan nilang gawin.
Our vision is to outline the need for every child to have experiences that equip them with the knowledge, skills, values, character traits, and experiences that will help them to navigate a rapidly changing world with confidence.
I was a witness. Nabalihan siya ng ratchets, guys.
Naggawa natin, hingin natin yung relaxan.
Ang kasi kaya
Balik.
pwedeng walang ano.
Napunta yung force niya doon sa handle.
Espera natin.
Tapon na natin ito.
Wag. Ano din remembrance? So binili yun. Iwan natin dyan.
Ikaw lang pa yung sabi.
Grabe. Animal Planet.
Maliit lang yan, 12 inch.
Yung buntot lang. Ayoko po.
Ay!
Ang aking opinion, tuwing naririnig ko ang salitang disability, gusto ko ipakita na hindi porket disability kami, na hanggang bahay na lang kami, kaya din namin gawin yung mga ganitong klaseng aktibidad na hindi hadlang yung kapansanan, yung salitang ability na kaya namin. And then, tuwing ini-spell out ko yung salitang disability, nililitan ko yung DIS, tapos nilalakihan ko yung ability dahil alam ko sa sarili ko ang kapasidad ko na kaya kong maging kumilos ng mamuhay ng normal. Kaya ako mas pinili na pag-hike, na ganitong activity, kasi dito ko na nararamdaman na komportable, nagiging masaya. Sa kabila ng kapansanan ko, nagkaroon ako ng mga bagong kaibigan, nakakilala ng mga bagong tao na masaya silang kasama.
We're glad to have people who are committed to make such opportunities available to everyone, no matter their background, ability, or needs. This is not a political post. We are just glad that some people are sharing these beliefs we have and could provide something more. We believe in the impact in what outdoors can have for young people with disability, combining activities that they never dreamt possible with a welcoming and inclusive activity. From learning to make your own camping bed, to take your first journey in a huge volcano, giving young people skills for life, an increased motivation and appetite for learning and broadening horizons, often opening up a whole new world of opportunity.